요한계시록 20장. 또 내가 보매 천사가 무저갱의 열쇠와 큰 쇠사슬을 그의 손에 가지고 하늘로부터 내려와서 용을 잡으니 곧 옛 뱀이요 마귀요 사탄이라. 잡아서 1000년 동안 결박하여 무저갱에 던져 넣어 잠그고 그 위에 인봉하여 1000년이 차도록 다시는 만국을 미혹하지 못하게 하였는데 그 후에는 반드시 잠깐 노일이라. 또 내가 보좌들을 보니 거기에 앉은 자들이 있어 심판하는 권세를 받았더라. 또 내가 보니 예수를 증언함과 하나님의 말씀 때문에 목배임을 당한 자들의 영혼들과 또 짐승과 그의 우상에게 경배하지 아니하고 그들의 이마와 손에 그의 표를 받지 아니한 자들이 살아서 그리스도와 더불어 1000년 동안 왕 노릇하니 그 나머지 죽은 자들은 그 1000년이 차기까지 살지 못하더라. 이는 첫째 부활이라. 이 첫째 부활에 참여하는 자들은 복이 있고 거룩하도다. 둘째 사망이 그들을 다스리는 권세가 없고 도리어 그들이 하나님과 그리스도의 제사장이 되어 1000년 동안 그리스도와 더불어 왕 노릇하리라. 1000년이 참에 사탄이 그 옥에서 놓여 나와서 땅의 사방 백성 곧 곡과 마곡을 미혹하고 모아 싸움을 붙이리니 그 수가 바다의 모래 같으리라. 그들이 지면에 널리 퍼져 성도들의 진과 사랑하시는 성을 두르매 하늘에서 불이 내려와 그들을 태워버리고 또 그들을 미혹하는 마귀가 불과 유황못에 던져지니 거기는 그 짐승과 거짓 선지자도 있어 세세토록 밤낮 괴로움을 받으리라. 또 내가 크고 흰 보좌와 그 위에 앉으신 이를 보니 땅과 하늘이 그 앞에서 피하여 간데 없더라. 또 내가 보니 죽은 자들이 큰 자나 작은 자나 그 보좌 앞에 서 있는데 책들이 펴 있고 또 다른 책이 펴졌으니 곧 생명책이라. 죽은 자들이 자기 행위를 따라 책들에 기록된 대로 심판을 받으니 바다가 그 가운데에서 죽은 자들을 내주고 또 사망과 음부도 그 가운데에서 죽은 자들을 내주매 각 사람이 자기의 행위대로 심판을 받고 사망과 음부도 불못에 던져지니 이것은 둘째 사망 곧 불못이라. 누구든지 생명책에 기록되지 못한 자는 불못에 던져지더라.
Revelation 20. Then I saw an angel coming down from heaven, holding in his hand the key to the bottomless pit, and a great chain. And he seized the dragon, that ancient serpent who is the devil and Satan, and bound him for 1000 years, and threw him into the pit, and shut it and sealed it over him, so that he might not deceive the nations any longer, until the 1000 years were ended. After that he must be released for a little while. Then I saw thrones, and seated on them were those to whom the authority to judge was committed. Also I saw the souls of those who had been beheaded for the testimony of Jesus, and for the word of God, and those who had not worshipped the beast or its image, and had not received its mark on their foreheads or their hands. They came to life and reigned with Christ for 1000 years.
The rest of the dead did not come to life until the 1000 years were ended. This is the first resurrection. Blessed and holy is the one who shares in the first resurrection. Over such the second death has no power, but they will be priests of God and of Christ, and they will reign with him for 1000 years. And when the 1000 years are ended, Satan will be released from his prison and will come out to deceive the nations that are at the four corners of the earth, Gog and Magog, to gather them for battle. Their number is like the sand of the sea. And they marched up over the broad plain of the earth and surrounded the camp of the saints and the beloved city. But fire came down from heaven and consumed them. And the devil who had deceived them was thrown into the lake of fire and sulfur, where the beast and the false prophet were, and they will be tormented day and night forever and ever.
Then I saw a great white throne, and him who was seated on it. From his presence earth and sky fled away, and no place was found for them. And I saw the dead, great and small, standing before the throne, and books were opened. Then another book was opened, which is the book of life. And the dead were judged by what was written in the books, according to what they had done. And the sea gave up the dead who were in it. Death and Hades gave up the dead who were in them, and they were judged, each one of them, according to what they had done. Then death and Hades were thrown into the lake of fire. This is the second death, the lake of fire. And if anyone's name was not found written in the book of life, he was thrown into the lake of fire.